Let's bring in Matthew Whiz Buckley, a former American Airlines and FedEx pilot. Can I just tell you, the family group chat was blowing up yesterday because both my sisters, who were on two separate trips, got stuck in Chicago yesterday. And I think one of them might still be stuck there. And they sounded an awful lot like these stranded travelers. Watch this.
The flight from American Airlines was supposed to be at 2 and got delayed and delayed and delayed all day. We didn't leave till 7:30. So, of course, all my connecting flights from Chicago to Philly were also delayed.
My flight got canceled, and I couldn't rebook till tomorrow morning, so I have to call into work.
It's been intense. It's always super busy this time of year. Every time I fly home during Thanksgiving, it's not easy.
All right, so let's put this up on the screen. 12,000 delays, more than 12,000, and more than 1,000 cancellations. I mean, it was just a miserable day to travel. And this is really goes to show just problems in the Midwest, just one part of the country, can completely upend travel across the country. How quickly can we see this all settle back down?
Aisha, thanks for having me, and I appreciate the Chicago reporting there. I used to live in Chicago, and now I live in God's waiting room, Boca Raton. So I appreciate all of that. Anyway, it's a domino effect, Aisha. Whenever there's weather issues, it creates ripples throughout the system. But I want to be very clear, Aisha. Gratitude. Right? We've gotten to the point where travelers complain that their internet isn't working while they're sitting in a chair at 35,000 feet going 400 miles per hour. So I get all the delays and they can suck. But at the end of the day, folks, if you woke up in the morning and you're getting on an airliner, let's have some gratitude. And also gratitude for the air traffic controllers that are finally back at work and we're working for no pay. And the airline crews, too. They are wanting to do things as safely as possible because they're on that airliner, too. So a little bit of gratitude during this season would help as well.
Well, some of the scariest stuff were the planes that were sliding off the runway. I think there was one in Chicago. I want to quickly ask you about this Airbus recall. This is massive. I believe this is 6,000 planes in their fleet. And according to Airbus, this is what they say. It's all because of intense solar radiation might corrupt data critical to the functioning of flight controls on Friday. That statement came out Friday. Whiz, how did they figure that one out? And I mean, thank God that nothing happened to anybody that was on these planes.
Aisha, this is when we thank God for what we call the booger eaters and the nerds with the glasses and the slide rules, the engineers. They figured this out pretty quick. They got some software updates, got it out to JetBlue pretty quickly. I think some of the older airplanes actually had to be parked for a little bit, but this was quick. You know, thank God for these engineers. But it also just shows you the limits of our technology, that solar flares from the sun can actually impact this stuff. I'm just glad that they caught it before things actually got worse.
Okay. Well, we are hoping for the best in the skies. Matt, always good to see you. Have a good week.
Good. Thank you. You too.